Welcome to A Moment with Lukwaro. This morning, I would like to discuss a problem which is very common, or a phenomenon which is very common, which I would just like to call a yo-yo relationship, or rather, going to try to answer a question, what it means when you keep on breaking and getting back together. What does it mean? You are in a relationship, you find that you break, then after a month, you are back, after 2 months, you are back, you break again after a week. What does it mean? Such a seesaw relationship, what does it tell you? One, the reason why that relationship is behaving that way, you are holding on to hope that the other person is going to change. But you see, the fact of the matter is that you cannot change anybody. You cannot change anybody. You can only change yourself, and the other person can only change if there is an inward drive to make the person change. So, the alternative is you have to accept that you cannot change anyone, and then you have to take that person the way he or she is. You are not going to change anyone. So breaking, coming back, going back, it won't help. That is one reason. Then another reason is you are stuck in a pull resist system. Pull resist. What do I mean? There is one of the partners is very needy. Probably it's the issue of sex, the issue of attention, the issue of approval. But then the other person is controlling. So when this other person who is needy has got needs and the other one is controlling, so the person disappears. But then when the person disappears, this other person who is controlling also feels that they need that person. So it just happens that way. Then number 3 is that you fear being lonely and not meeting someone else. You feel that this person, although the person has gone, you may not have an alternative. So what does it mean? You go and look for that person, or you request that person, you get back to the relationship. And then finally, you have not invested on learning the character of each other. You have not also learned about yourself. You can also work out that relationship to make it a success, but you have not taken any move. So what do I mean? This seesaw relationship, breaking and coming back, there are certain factors, and these are factors. If you find that you're in such a relationship, please try to interrogate why this is happening. Not only by yourself, but even your other partner. Have a candid talk, have a candid communication, have a candid interrogation, and then you come up with a way forward. You see what you have to do. Are you going to work on yourself? Is your friend going to work on his or herself? Or what characters, what are the objectives which made you get into a relationship first? What are the needs which is making you keep on hanging to your friend though the relationship is not working? Thank you very much. It's Mutia Lukwaro, your family therapist. Thank you very much for listening to me. Have a great day. Thank you.